Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable transparency mode for your earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application and now click on your device here. Then at the top we have ambient sound control. So we have a few options how to enable it. The first one, you can click at the transparency mode right here, and we did it. But also we can use a gesture, and by default you need to press and hold at your left or right earbud. So firstly you press and hold, and if you have a normal mode you will swap to ANC, and then you press and hold again and you will swap to transparency mode. And then from transparency mode you will swap to ANC. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!